Welcome to the Support Business Directory, your local gateway to trusted services, community support, and real-world help. Whether you're looking for in-home care, housing support, or nonprofit resources, it's all right here in one place. Start by searching or browsing by category. The directory is part of an AI-powered platform that learns what you need and helps you connect faster. Let's explore Living Assistance. Each listing includes a full description, web and contact info, and a short video explaining what the organization does, in both English and Spanish. These videos help you decide which service best matches your needs before contacting anyone. For example, Medical Choice. Home Health provides skilled nursing, personal care, and home monitoring. Watch their overview video, review their services, and contact them electronically, all from one screen. When you're ready, use the electronic form to submit a secure inquiry directly to the provider. No phone calls, no paperwork, just fast, direct support. Beyond health and care services, the directory also connects you with a wide range of community organizations in Brownsville. You'll find shelters, housing aid, grant programs, child services, and local nonprofit initiatives, all searchable and video-powered. Each organization includes a video that explains who they are, what they offer, and how they can help, so you know exactly who you're reaching out to. The directory is fully integrated into a smart AI app that evolves with your needs. It offers predictive suggestions, learns from your searches, and saves useful profiles for quick access later. And for organizations or individuals looking for funding, our sister platform, Ultimate Grant Finder, helps you discover grant opportunities locally, nationally, and internationally. It's perfect for nonprofits, startups, educators, and community builders. Whether you need help today or are building support for tomorrow, the Support Business Directory is here to connect you with the services and people who care. Here are just a few of the many organizations you'll find in the directory, each with its own profile, contact info, and explainer video. Discover support, explore your options, find funding, connect with Brownsville's best, all through the Support Business Directory.